Hi, it's Shannon from Just Fabrics, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of these outdoor cushion covers. So let's get started. All the fabric and equipment we use is linked in the description below. To start off, you need to cut out your main fabric and secondary fabric. So cut one 18 by 18 inch piece of your main fabric and two 13 by 18 inch pieces of your second fabric. Now you need to hem one of the 18 inch edges on each of your secondary fabric pieces. Place the pieces right side down and fold the raw edge over twice and pin in place. Repeat this for one of the 18 inch edges on the other small fabric piece. Sew along the pinned hemmed edges. Next, you need to place the main fabric piece right side up and then take one of the smaller pieces, aligning the raw edge on the bottom with the main piece. Line the raw edge of the other main small piece with the top of the main fabric piece. Pin around all the edges and sew. Clip the corners and turn right sides out. Insert your cushion inner, and now you have your finished outdoor cushion. We hope you all enjoyed this amazing make. If you did, please subscribe and leave a like below. For more inspiration, head to our website and our social media.